So you want to spawn a particle effect in the world that spawn particle at location. It's how you add instant VFX tied to gameplay like fireball, explosion, smoke, placed exactly where you want it to be. Now how to get this node? Just right click and type in spawn emitter at location and you will get this node like this. Now we will remove both of these because we have example prepared for us where we have a debug key called 1 where when we press it, it will spawn the emitter at location. Now for the emitter we are taking an explosion which comes with a starter pack, so you will get it very easily. It's included with Unreal Engine, I mean. And for the location I am taking 0 0 and above 100. I mean the Z is 100 because we need to see it, right? So it needs to be above the base or above the ground. Otherwise we can't able to see it because sometimes there is collision and so many other things that will stop it from spawning, or we won't be able to see it as it can be below the ground level, which is 0. And that we also take auto destroy so that these effect doesn't just pile up one after another. Plus we have take the auto activate system as well. After that we are printing the name of the exact spawned emitter, which is explosion 1, explosion 2, as we keep on pressing the exact key. Now let's just compile the code and see in action. And as you can see on the screen, as soon as we press 1, it keeps spawning these emitters. I mean, you can see the explosion, right? It's super cool and used in various ways and any location you want, in any rotation, plus in any scale out as well. As you can see, we have all those settings in it. Now it is used for impact effects, spell effects, environment bursts. I mean, all in all, if something blows up, this node is the first you will reach for. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.